In the next update, the top court refused to stay the ongoing trial in the CBI's Land for Jobs case against former Bihar Chief Minister and RJD leader Lalu Prasad Yadav. A bench of justices M.M. Sundaresh and N. Koteshwar Singh was hearing Yadav's plea challenging Delhi High Court's refusal to halt the trial proceedings. But the bench noted that the appeal was only against one interim order and said that they would not interfere at this stage. The top court has denied to stay and dismissed his appeal. The court did offer some relief, saying that Yadav need not appear personally for the trial and asked the Delhi High Court to expedite the hearing on his petition challenging the cognizance taken by the trial court. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing for Yadav, had argued that CBI began investigating without obtaining prior sanction under Section 17A of Prevention of Corruption Act, which is mandatory for investigating decisions taken by public servants in the course of official duties. But the CBI countered, saying that Section 17A does not apply because the alleged offences occurred before 2018 amendment, which introduced this requirement. But the Supreme Court refused to go into these legal arguments at this stage, saying that they can be raised before the trial court. For those of you who do not know the background of this matter, let me tell you, the CBI alleges that between 2004 and 2009, when Lalu Prasad Yadav was the railway minister, several individuals were appointed to Group D posts in exchange for transferring land to his family members or to a company later acquired by them. A charge sheet was filed in October 2022 against 16 people, including Lalu Yadav, his wife Rabdi Devi, and daughter Misha Bharti. The Delhi High Court had already declined to stay the trial, stating that there were no compelling reasons to interrupt proceedings at this stage. It said that all legal issues, including the question of sanction, could be raised during arguments on charge. Well, now with the Supreme Court refusing to intervene, the trial will continue at Rouse Avenue courts.